What's going on, everyone? Today we're going to be swapping out a radiator. So, in the last video, the radiator started leaking, and, we got to replace it. So, we got the new radiator. It's been sitting for about 2 weeks now. It kind of smells like something died in here. So, I'm going to go open up the T-tops, and hopefully it airs out, and, we'll get started on doing this radiator swap. So step one, undo that. So then all the fluid can spill out of it and hopefully not make a mess and go into my ginormous catch can underneath there. It might not look that big, but it goes all the way out here. It's really the only thing I could find. So here comes the fun part. Let's go take that really annoying clamp off real quick and start draining the stuff out of it. Alright, try to do this with one hand. Come on. Oh, I'm just gonna set you guys down for a second. Just stay right there. And clamp. Oh, come on. Oh, it moved. Oh, yeah. She's leaking. I don't know if you guys can see it or not. Try to move this clamp to the best of my abilities. Hold on, I'm just gonna set you guys down and get this done real quick because this is a pain doing it with only one hand. Okay, so I kind of got it. There we go. That's mostly going in there. Perfect. Now we can just go and dump that right back in once the new radiator's in. So I'm gonna let that drain, and then I'm gonna take off this top hose right here. Then take this crappy radiator out. One zip tie, two zip tie. Oh yeah. So yeah. All right. So now that's all said and done. Let's get the new radiator on this. This can go too. Okay, so I got this new radiator from eBay. 130 bucks. Overall, it doesn't look too bad from for being from China anyways. Wonder how many leaks this thing has. Hopefully none. But overall, I mean, I guess it's alright. I mean, it's got scratches and stuff here, and kind of looks like it's been sitting for a while because there's some oxidization on here. But yeah, who knows? I mean, the welds on it are better than my welds, so I guess that's a plus. But that's not really saying much for me anyways. So yeah, let's go drop this in and get it all hunky-dory. I apologize for the crappy camera angle. It's just kind of what I'm working with. So, I guess that's like that. You would think it would kind of sit in here a little bit, but guess not. Just go stick this on real quick just to get it in place anyways and not move all over the place. Ooh. Antifreeze is burning my fingers. Got a bunch of cuts on it. Oh well. I'll be fine. Let's go and get this hose. Because, you know, instead of just getting a regular hose clamp, I'm gonna just reuse this pain in the ass clip that I absolutely hate. You know, that just makes sense. There. All hunky dory. Oh, I'm just sweating balls right now. Alright, next step, get the fan. Yeah, I'm not gonna reuse that. I have like a whole bracket thing that I'm just gonna plop on there, and that already has a fan on it. Alright, now time to pour the old stuff back in. Come on. This is some good stuff. There's only minimal grass in here. It'll be fine. Let's go and pour it in. Ooh, an ant. So far, not doing too bad. Perfect. Okay, and I found some new stuff sitting in the garage. Universal mixes with any antifreeze, so this is fine. Go and dump this in. Never mind, this looks like water. Smells like water too. I lied. I'm not dumping this in. Oh yeah. That's water. Okay, I might have some more somewhere, so I'll go find out. So I did find some more. I found a little bit of that and a little bit of this. So I'm just going to toss it in. I really don't care that I'm mixing brands. I don't even know if it's that big of a deal. Could be, could not be. Oh well, I guess I'll find out later on. We'll start with the fuller one first. Here we go. Alright, toss that there. See how good my one-hand pouring skill is. Well, that ain't too bad. Oh yeah, I got this. Minimal shakeage. There we go. There, that's full. See the air bubbles. And then I will throw the rest in here. That looks fine-ish. There. There. Just pour the rest in there. So this, gone. Now I'll use the rest of this. Just go and top this off a little bit. There, good enough. Perfect. So we'll go, just shut this for now. Perfect. Shut this for now. Perfect. And we'll go start it up. I know this really isn't going to be a cold start, but it hasn't been running in about 2 weeks. Alright. Make sure it's in neutral. A couple pumps. Starts right up. Ain't too bad. All right. Oh, just a little bit of smoke. It's fine. See? Yep, fan's working. That's a plus. I'm probably going to build some shrouds for the sides anyways. Get that all hunky-dory. Overall, guess it ain't too bad. See if I can feel it sucking air through the radiator. I mean, yeah, it's definitely sucking air in through here. I can feel that. So I think we're all set for the time being anyways. We'll go and take it for a quick test trip and see how she does. Okay, so it's in, it's running, everything's looking good. Ooh, I gotta get gas. Oh well, I got enough for a quick little dip around the block. Make sure I don't hit the Subaru, because that would suck. Oh, just a little close. Well, seems to be running good now after I did the timing like a week or two ago. It was acting a bit funny, but so far so good. We'll get her warmed up. Yeah, it still just seems like it falls on its face. I think I'm having carburetor issues, so you guys turned a little bit. So next episode, I'm going to be rejetting the carburetor, trying to figure out why it's falling on its face at the higher RPMs. Definitely think it's a fuel issue, and you guys keep turning. It seems once I get into the secondaries, that's where I kind of just I think so far so good. Maybe I'm running too rich. There's a big pile of kind of rich smoke behind me. So maybe I need to dejet it a bit. Drop it down. Damn it, you guys keep turning, I'm sorry. Anyways, I'm just kind of talking to myself at this point. Hey, random clip of me in my attic. So, bit of my footage got deleted, and I'm kind of missing some key parts of that video. So after the test drive, everything went really well with that radiator, other than being a little low on fluid. I drove it around for about 20 minutes, and by the time I got home, I could like literally put my hand on the radiator. It was hot, but it wasn't like burn my hand hot like the old radiator used to be. I don't have a temp gauge hooked up to the car, so but anyways, it's definitely an improvement over the last radiator. So I would definitely say it is worth buying. Like 3/4 over 2, definitely an improvement. So that's my recommendation. The link for the radiator is down below in the description. So if you're interested in buying it for your Trans Am or Firebird or Camaro, I definitely recommend it. Alright, well, I guess back to a little bit of footage that's left, and I'll catch you guys later. So, it's pumping through. I still gotta add more coolant to it, but it's definitely sucking heat from the radiator because it's warm. Ow! And I got myself. Alright, but if you guys are watching, thanks for watching the video. like I said, like and subscribe. That'd be pretty sweet. Thanks for watching. See you guys next time, I guess.